Meanwhile, sources are telling Wion World is One that Pakistan plans to amend the Army Act, which will give the jailed Indian national Kulbushan Jadhav the right to appeal in a civilian court. It could open the door for India to provide legal aid to Jadhav. Section 133 of the Pakistani Army Act provides for an appeal, but only in a court of appeals consisting of the chief of the army, a brigadier or a major general. It does not provide for an appeal in a civilian court. By amending the act, the verdict by a military court can now be challenged in a civilian court within 6 months. In the case of Kulbushan Jadhav, his 6 months started from the day of the judgment by the International Court of Justice and not his initial sentence on the 10th of April 2017. If passed, the amendment would be a major reform process. The amendment would allow other convicts in Pakistan to appeal against a Pakistani military court's order or judgment in a civilian court. On the 26th of April 2017, the High Commission of India in Islamabad had appealed to the Pakistani government on behalf of Jadhav's mother under Section 133B and also petitioned the Pakistani government under Section 131 of the Pakistani Army Act. Earlier this year, the International Court of Justice at The Hague in the Netherlands told Pakistan to provide India consular access to Jadhav in accordance with Article 36 of the Vienna Convention on Consular Relations. On the 2nd of September, India got the first consular access for Kulbushan Jadhav in 3 years, with India's Deputy High Commissioner Gaurav Ahluwalia in Islamabad meeting him for 2 hours. The Indian diplomat found Jadhav under extreme pressure to parrot a false narrative to bolster Pakistan's untenable claims. And now our principal diplomatic correspondent Siddhant Sibal gets us more in this report. Take a look.
Well, the decision by Pakistani government to amend the Army Act so that Kulbushan Jadhav can appeal at the higher court in a civilian court comes months after New Delhi got a major victory at the World Court or the International Court of Justice, in which the International Court of Justice asked Pakistan to provide consular access to Kulbushan Jadhav. There is no reaction from India as of now because the amendment is still to take place, and till the time it doesn't take place, there will be no reaction from India. But we know that it opens the gate for India to provide legal aid to Kulbushan Jadhav. Remember, India had long time back approached the Pakistani government with an appeal which was sent by Kulbushan Jadhav's mother, but there was no reply from the Pakistani government, and within days of that development which happened few years ago, we saw the Pakistani army announcing that Kulbushan Jadhav will be hanged. But now India got stay and India went to the World Court, and now we have seen developments including the Pakistani government giving consular access. In fact, an Indian diplomat met Kulbushan Jadhav on September the 2nd, after which we saw a release from the MEA which said that Kulbushan Jadhav wasn't doing so well. But by and large, it can also be seen as a pressure growing on Pakistan to implement the World Court's order, and that is why Pakistan is now acting. But it also opens the door for reforms in Pakistan itself. Remember, the Pakistani military courts work not in a very, very transparent manner, and this now opens the floodgates for other people, Pakistani people, to go for appeal when it comes to Pakistani military courts. With video journalist Siddhant Sibal for Wion in New Delhi.